Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. Today's another one of the weekend workshop tips, and it's really around a vice and a bit of sort of something you can do to make them a little bit safer. This is quite a big vice, a record 36, and one of the challenges I've found, not being such a spring chicken, is that sometimes I'm lifting something, trying to put it into the vice, and it's probably too heavy for me to do on my own, and I'm struggling to do the to tighten the vice, and sometimes as this comes down, on a number of occasions I've trapped my finger, well, not trapped, but caught my finger in there, and it's pretty uncomfortable. So all I've done is really something super simple, and anyone can do it. Just get a couple of O-rings, just standard O-rings. You just need to get the right size for the bar, for your vice, and then all you do is you just slip them over the end onto the handle there, and then when let's move that back up there, and if it falls, it's still going to hurt a bit, but at least you've got some protection there with the rubber. So yep, since I've done this, I had it on my vices back in the day when I was earning a living from this sort of stuff, but after squashing my finger recently, I decided to put them onto this one, and touch wood, it's not, I've had no problem since. Okay, so well, that's it, short and sweet today. There's some other tips in the playlist called Something for the Weekend, so yeah, if you want to check them out, that'd be great. Okay, until next time, as always, stay happy, strong and healthy. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.